Good morning, adventurers. We're here at C.P. Adams Park in Hastings, Minnesota, off for a day hike this morning. Alright, getting started this morning. Got the sunrise behind us. Got a couple friends with me. Recognize Joshy from Joshy Outdoors. It's at 54 degrees this morning. Beautiful morning. Cool little cave. So back in 1856 to 1857, an old mill was built here, which was used up until about the turn of the century. Its ruins still stand here at Old Mill Park. So this hike is kind of a shorter 2.5 mile hike, and we're going to be visiting actually a couple of smaller city parks within the city of Hastings. So we started at C.P. Adams Park. We just went through Old Mill Park, and now we're going to be walking along the Vermillion River Greenway, which is another park along the Vermillion River, obviously, here in Hastings. Look at that, folks, a natural arch. Look at that, another natural arch. Ladies and gentlemen, Vermillion Falls. Pretty awesome. I wasn't expecting it to be so big. Alright, this is pretty awesome. Nice little dam here right above the waterfalls. Just gorgeous. This is Ardent Mill, which I believe they took over in like the 50s or something. But this was the first mill in Minnesota, built in 1853. So about 4 years before the other mill we just saw. But this one still stands and has been expanded quite a bit. This mill, I guess, is known for its innovation, being the first all-roller mill in the United States, and it continues that practice to this day. I'm not sure exactly what an all-roller mill is, but I think I can make an easy guess. Probably involves using rollers to grind the flour into, or grind the wheat and flour instead of using grinding stones. They still use this mill today, and it is powered by this dam you see right behind me. Alright, adventurers, back here at the car. Beautiful hike today. Beautiful day. Saw some great things. The waterfall was amazing. The old mill was pretty cool. And these parks are pretty awesome. There's picnic areas over by the waterfall. Here there's a huge disc golf course, which I've done disc golf before. It's pretty fun. But there's like 22 holes here or something. But yeah, nice big open area for picnicking, golfing, disc golfing, or whatever. What a great day. Thank y'all for joining me. And I'll see you next week right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.